So top 10 free movie and TV series streaming websites that you can access 100% free and without requiring any kind of registration. Now the first one we have in the list is actually YouTube. Now as you can see here, YouTube has a vast library of user uploaded videos, but they also have a dedicated section on the left here for movies and TV. Let's click on that. At the top here we have a dedicated section for completely free movies which you can enjoy directly on YouTube. So let's click on that. Literally within a couple of clicks, we now have access to a massive library of free movies. All of your favorite genres like thriller, like music, like family, crime, all of them are included in here. And obviously as it's YouTube, you're not going to get any kind of issues with buffering or stuttering. You really can go ahead and enjoy all of this great content, 100% free, 100% legally. Here, for example, we have Surf's Up. Let's click on that. And we can see in a couple of seconds, after the advert, which is just 5 seconds long, I can skip on that. And I'm now enjoying this feature-length movie, which is 1 hour and 25 minutes long, directly on YouTube. So that's the first one in the list, youtube.com. Next up, we have Yidio or Yidio, which is another great website you can go for your favorite movies and TV series. Now we can see here that the website has a very, very nice clean interface. You have popular TV shows, you have popular movies, you have free movies, you have just aired episodes. You can also watch some live TV content. Here, for example, in the free movies, we have Take Me Home. Let's click on that. Now, when you click on any movie or TV series, it allows you to choose where you can actually watch this content. Here, for example, we can see this free content is available on Prime Video, on FlixFling, on Sony Crackle, on Plex. And we can see these three at the bottom are the ones which are totally free. So I know Sony Crackle, I can click on that. This will now automatically take you to the website and take you directly to that content. And in a couple of seconds, we can see I'm now watching Take Me Home directly through this Crackle website. And that's working great, guys. Literally a couple of clicks and you can go ahead and enjoy all of this great content, again, without requiring any kind of registration, without any kind of sign up. You really can go ahead and enjoy all of this great content. Next up, we have tdoctoruk. And really, if you are looking for one of the largest libraries of free movies, TV series, and even live TV channels, I'd say the tdoctoruk website really does take the crown in this, because as you can see directly on the homepage, they've just got so many movies, so many popular TV shows, and they also have that live TV with the fully working program guide. Here you can see some of the movies leaving soon, lots of different content. You got black cinema, you got thrillers, you got recently added. The recently added is basically updated all the time, as these guys are constantly updating their content with newer movies, newer TV series. So even if you have seen this website before, it's always worthwhile coming back, checking out the recently added section, as I'm sure you'll find something of interest. Here we can see the very famous Batman Returns. Click on that, click on play, and you can see, guys, literally in a couple of seconds, without seeing any kind of adverts, any kind of pop-ups, we are in Batman Returns, and that's working great. Let's back out of that. So you can see lots of different genres. At the top here, I can go straight to TV shows, and I just have pages and pages of very, very popular TV series, recommended TV, new releases. You got some cooking stuff, horror, lots of different things. Let's go back to the top. Then you got the live TV section. Let's click on that, just so you can see the sheer volume of content in here. And you also get that fully working EPG, which is the electronic program guide. And this will tell you exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. And you have hundreds and hundreds of different live TV channels from all over the world. So that's the third one in the list, which is tdoctoruk. Next up, we have Pluto TV. Now, this recently was updated to add even more on-demand content. Previously, they were focused more on the live TV stuff, but with the latest update, as you can see here, you have access to all of these live TV channels at the bottom with that fully working program guide. But at the top now, you can see they've also added an on-demand section. So this is your VOD, video on demand content. And again, you can see a very, very large library of great content. So everything from your Shawshank Redemption to Titanic to lots and lots of different movies. So lots and lots of different content, different genres, true crime, sci-fi. You got the Indiana Jones collection. You got comedy, game shows, sports, home, food. Let's try sports for a second. And you can just see, guys, lots and lots of different sports content, live sports channels, sports movies. All of that's included in this very, very large list of completely official, 100% legal streaming content. So this is Pluto TV. Next up, we have Popcornflix.com. And you can see now, guys, directly on the homepage, I can click on Start Watching for free. And again, we are taken to a big library of movies and series that we can enjoy directly on this website. This one has a great interface, has lots of content available directly on the home screen. You don't have to navigate through different pages. All of the content is directly here. So here, for example, we can see this is Jetstream. Let's click on that just to show you that every content, every website, every movie, every TV series is working. It's working straight away wherever you click on. These are trusted websites. These are reliable websites. Any content that you do find, you'll be able to enjoy it absolutely free and without any kind of issues with buffering or stuttering. And we see that's working absolutely fine. Let's go back. Then you've got a section for series. Lots and lots of different things in here. Everything from your classic to disaster to fantasy to thriller, nostalgic, reality, international, cops, detectives, history. All of your favorite genres you'll be able to find in popcornflix.com, which is the next one in the list. So that's working great. Next up, we have the Roku Channel, and this is a great website where you'll be able to access lots of very, very popular and recent movies, TV series, and these guys also have a great library of live TV content. You don't need to create a free account. I can close this down, and we can see now the Roku Channel gives you thousands of free TV shows, hit movies, and 350 plus live TV channels. So really a great all-in-one website. You can see here, this is the live TV content. Then you got the comedy section for movies. You got some Matilda, you got other stuff. You got a section for not on Netflix, so more indie, more original content. You got sitcoms, you got Leaving Soon, you got Trending Now. You got Spanish content, you got TV series, Armchair Detective, characters, lots and lots of different genres. You got spotlight movies, you got reality, game shows, food and travel, holiday, all of that's on here. If I go over to live TV guide, let's click on that and you can see all of the live channels included here. So 350 is no small number. Again, without any registration or any login, all of this content is available on therokuchannel.com. Next up, we have Plex TV. Now, lots of people do use a Plex server or they access content through other people's Plex servers, but they also have a great website where you can go to and access lots and lots of different live TV, movies, TV shows. All of that is included directly on their free website, again, without requiring any registration. Here we can see we have most watch list on Plex. You got Holiday Marathon, you got you got Plex Picks, you got featured live TV channels. Let's say, for example, let's click on Explore Movies and TV Shows, and you can see lots and lots of different content. You got genres here. So if I'm interested in crime only, let's click on that. That will then filter out the content and show you the crime movies only. And you can see, guys, lots and lots of different content. Here, for example, we have The Killing. Let's click on that. Click on play. Give that a second. And you can see, guys, no errors, no buffering, no pop-ups. We are straight into that content. That's working great. Let's go back. You got Dojo, you got binge-worthy shows, you got most popular, you got documentaries, you got recently added. You can just see, guys, pages and pages of great content that you can access directly on plex.com. If I go over to live TV, and we can now browse the channels and see all of this great live TV content is included. So lots of great websites to check out and an easy way for you to access lots of amazing movies, TV shows, even live TV, again, without requiring any kind of installation, any kind of downloading or any kind of login. Just go to those addresses and I will leave a link in the video description with all of these websites linked where you can quickly access all of your favorite content. The only thing is some of them do require a USA IP address. As you can see on the bottom right, I'm using my VPN, setting my location to New York, and doing that will allow me to unlock all of this content and access it from any device. Right now, there is a very special offer if you want to get the same VPN as me, a real special price if you are looking for the best way to stay safe online, to hide your online activities, to change your IP address, to make sure that nobody, your ISP, anybody online can monitor you or track you. You can get this really fast, really good VPN from IPVanish at just $2.99 a month. It does help support the channel, so if you want to do that, many thanks. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment. You can take advantage of this special offer where you get 2 years plus an extra 3 months free. So really worthwhile checking out if you are in the market for a VPN. If not, then don't worry. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.